Now this past week, the more time I'm spending with the MTM Mini, the more I seem to like it better than the bigger ammo cans. And just the reason for that is just simply it just packs a lot of features in just such a smaller footprint. It's narrower, it's slightly shorter, and there's not the length of the larger can, and we're really not losing a lot. We're just losing an additional accessory right here for a cigarette lighter connector and a USB, but otherwise pretty much everything's the same. We still have flashing LED light strobe. We have a regular white LED light in front as we do here, but look at how much smaller this is. This is just so much more compact. I mean, for the last 4 years, this has been in my car, okay? And it's very durable. It's been in 100-degree weather, all kinds of heat, and sub-zero, freezing cold, and it's proven very durable. So it's going to last, but this is just so much smaller. It's so much tidier. It's just cute. I don't know how else to put it. I mean, I just like this thing so much more because it's just little and it's feature packed. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of retire this box right here and put it on the shelf, and take this box and put this box in my car, because I mean I still have the same amount of watt hours. I have terminals, plus and minus, for accessories. I have switches. I have rails, rack handles on this thing. I have a carry handle on this thing. I have a way to charge it and an additional plug, which I'm going to show you something that I did with this in a minute or so. But I mean, just look at this thing. I mean, this is just so much tidier. You can really tell, just kind of looking overhead here. I think this is a keeper. I think small is the way to go. Small, compact, and it was a little bit of a challenge to get everything in there, but this was a prototype. And this thing, as cool as it is, I think this is what you want to take with you. This is the more compact version, and it's heavy, but it's not that bulky, and there's no real room inside for stuff. But it's just all there. You don't need anything else. It's probably about as small as it could be, and still retain the battery. So, yeah, I think I'm going to keep this in my car from now on and kind of, save a little bit of space, since I have a small car anyway. So, do you remember our SAE connector that we had, and we just kind of snipped it here? We snipped about an inch off of this and then installed this and installed the positive to our fuse block and a negative to our negative terminal block. Two key points about this. This serves as a method of charging the battery, since there's no on-off switch. This is basically directly goes to the battery through a fuse. So if we pop the top open up just a little bit, let this thing breathe, and take our SAE connector right off our battery tender junior. We could just plug this right in like this, plug in our battery tender junior like that, and charge our battery that way. Now, remember the part that we snipped off? Snipped this off about an inch from here to here. I am going to put these leads on, and these are going to go on these Anderson connectors. I'm going to install the other piece on this side like this. I'm going to add a little solder right there and right there, and actually just put my soldering iron right here, just let it feed through here, and plug these in. So here's my SAE with Anderson plugs already put on it. My battery's all charged up. I could just unplug this. There we go. Take that out. Unplug that. And I could just pop in this pigtail with the Anderson connector. Oops, I think it goes this way. No, it does go this way. And I could take my accessory and plug it right in, and I have juice going to it right away. There's no on-off switch. So here's how I charge the battery. Here's how I also power another accessory right through that plug. It's very handy. And the plug is small enough where I could just take it out, pop it inside the box, and it'll be there when I need it. And that's it. That's it for this little project. Thanks for watching.